Hi everyone, I'm Didi Alava and I'm excited to share that my wife, Klein, and daughter, Princess Altie, and I are thrilled to finally have our Montero Sport SUV. A huge thank to Sir Lance Lopez from Abad Santos Mitsubishi for his guidance, support, professionalism, and smooth transaction. His accommodating and encouraging approach made the entire process seamless. I highly recommend Sir Lance Lopez and Abad Santos Mitsubishi when your dream car can become a reality. God bless everyone, and thank you very much, Sir Lance, and I will show you outside the car.